What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be replacing the fog lamp on the 2005 Nissan Pulsar. It just came in today from eBay. Like I said earlier, guys, the original fog lamp or spotlight from Nissan is between $250 to $400, a genuine part, and I found that's a little bit too much for me, so I went and bought an aftermarket for $39. Looks exactly the same mountings. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to remove and install a brand new fog lamp. So without further ado, let's get to it. So here it is, guys. This is the company from New South Wales who provided the part for me. Now I'll open this box and we'll remove the light from its packaging, and I'll show you what it looks like. Sorry guys, I'm just using one hand here, so it's just a little bit difficult to remove this light out of the bag. Just bear with me. So there it is, guys. It's all nice and clean in a plastic, wrapped, sealed. It also comes with the globe and fitting for it, which is great. Gives you a spare globe once you remove the old one. It's up to you guys if you want to use the globe that's in it, or if you want to use the one that you've got already on your car. But it's exactly the same one. Left hand side, two mounting brackets, and it's only holding by two bolts. I believe there'll be Phillip heads. So guys, I'm just going to grab some tools and we'll go into it and start removing the old one and putting the new one on. I'll try to show you as well, guys. Unfortunately it is dark here at the moment. You may or may not be able to see it. But this is the one that was there before. I don't know if you can see, but it's all cracked. It was only a small crack before, but now with the duration of time and probably movement with the car, moving around speed humps and whatnot, it's actually gotten worse. And it's not actually roadworthy with a broken light like that. So that's the main thing, guys, that we're going to replace this lens and make it look a little bit more presentable. So just give us a few moments, guys, and we'll be back in a minute with some tools and we'll start getting into the job. Okay guys, there's the light assembly, the fog lamp or spotlight, whichever you want to call it. As you can see, you've got the two bolts on the left hand side and on the right hand side of the light. I did say Phillips screwdriver, guys. I was incorrect. It's actually a 10mm wrench or socket, whichever you prefer to use. I've already pre-loosened them earlier. Now it's just a matter of me removing the light, the actual globe, by twisting it to the right. That will remove the light, and then you can unscrew the rest of it and put the new light on. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to have to drop the camera and do this without the camera on, as it is hard to do this with one hand holding the camera and the other hand doing with my mobile phone for the light. So I'm going to remove the light, show you the assembly, and then show you the new assembly, and I will install it and then show you it installed and show you the end result. There you have it, guys. There's the old one removed. As you can see how badly cracked it is, and there's our brand new shiny aftermarket one. Not much difference, guys, in what it looks like. So I'm going to remove the brand new light from this new one, use the existing old one, put this back on. Like I said, it's the same procedure, guys, removing it as it is putting it back on. Two 10mm bolts, remove the light globe from the back. Once you remove those bolts, this will simply just drop, so please hold on to it. And the same thing goes when you put this one back. It's a matter of holding the lens into its position and just adjusting the bolts hand tight first. Tighten them up, not too tight, because it is plastic and it can snap. Very brittle plastic. Once you've done that, you put your globe back in and your job's done. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The after result. Brand new lens, fog lamp, aftermarket, but I'm quite happy with the results. Believe you me, guys, I would have loved to go genuine, but I'm not willing to spend $300 to $400 for a fog lamp when at $39 the fog lamp does the exact same job as the genuine. So I'm happy with the result, guys, and I'm happy that the fitting and the brackets were spot on. The gaps line up beautifully. I can't complain. Even the original loom that was on the car, I didn't have to use the new one that they provided. I used the existing loom with the globe, and it fits beautifully. So I can't complain, guys. I really can't. Also, remember, when you are working on the car, guys, it's the same way to install it as it is to remove it. So when you remove it, obviously do the same thing in reverse. Give yourself room, guys, so please turn the steering wheel to your right. Make sure the thing is full locked, just to give yourself that extra shoulder room to go under the car. Just it's a bit cramped under there, and there's very minimal room for you to put your hands in, so it's very hard to get your hands in there if the steering wheel is straight. Alright guys, that'll be it for tonight's video. If this was helpful for you, please give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Facebook at Greg's Auto Rebuilds. I do leave sneak peeks while I'm working on the builds. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to put your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe out there, and bye for now.